All right, so if you want to change or add a new payment for maybe your Google AdSense or YouTube AdSense account, it is pretty simple. Just head over to your AdSense account, then go over to payments here. From this, go ahead and choose payment info, and this will show the current payment information that you have in your AdSense account. To add or to switch to another payment option, go ahead and click on manage payment method. And here you'll see all the current payment methods that you have, and here is my primary one. So I'd like to go ahead and add a new one and then make it primary. To do that, head over to add payment method. And for my case, I want to add a bank account, so I'll choose add wire transfer details. Then the first thing you have to do is to fill the name of bank account. And here, if you hover here, you're told enter your full name as shown on your bank statement. So I'll go ahead and write mine. And then bank name. And then Swift code. So at this point, you'll need to have the Swift code from your bank. So I'll go ahead and paste here mine. That is my Swift code. Then you have to enter your account number. So I'll go ahead and write my account number here. And then you have to type the account number to confirm it. For the beneficiary ID, you can leave it because this is an optional. So I'm done, and it's time to go ahead and save this. If you want to directly make this as your primary payment method, you can choose, or you can check this mark, make as primary payment method, and then go ahead and save your payment method. This is now my current payment method. And you'll know that it is your current when it is written primary just next to it. So that's how you can change your payment method in AdSense. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.